mass production balance quality inspection of fan blades, specialized in automotive seat ventilation fan blades, integrated equipment, 1 machine 2, complete fan blade imbalance detection and balance correction, full digital control, central software control of various components to complete operations, precise grasp of balance position and correction amount, and complete automation throughout the process. We have rich experience in correcting the ventilation fan blades of car seats. The automatic balancing machine series has received widespread praise from customers, helping them to carry out production line balance testing and correction of their products, accurately controlling the quality of correction, ensuring stable correction effects, and significantly improving production efficiency.